What's up, guys? I know I haven't uploaded in a while. Just a couple things have changed. I traded my brother's hatch and I don't own it no more. I got something else. I'm gonna show you guys here in a little bit with the montage, and I'll update you guys with what happened and why I traded and what's going on. So yeah. So I just showed you guys a quick clip montage washing it, but you'll see right now I'm going to show you a couple of defects, flaws, things that I want to fix, stuff that I'm going to show you guys, and we're going to go about it together. One is going to be this bumper right here, sagging, cracked, don't like it. Respray it. I'm gonna try to cut and buff the whole car. Whatever I need to paint, I'll repaint. As far as the interior, obviously there's stuff that needs to be done. I need to readjust that. I need to try to clean up. There's paint right there if you can see it. Just adjust seats, clean up. Put the carpet back to where it needs to go. Obviously there's stuff laying around. We ate when we came and brought the car back. It's kind of late. Now it's pretty early. I need to look for dash kits. I could put a different radio in there. We got the automatic cluster, so I'm looking for an EM1 if anybody knows. And just some little random stuff. Oh, the headliner. Gotta replace it. It's all messed up, chewed up, ripped. I'm thinking about going to red suede. Red suede here too. Cleaning up, doing whatever I can. Obviously on this side it's a little bit different, it's kind of broken. So I'm going to be looking for a new door panel to replace this thing. It's pretty broken everywhere. Some missing parts here. And then one knot. And I'll show you guys underneath the hood. So yeah, I did end up trading my hatch for this thing. Technically, So technically I ended up trading my hatch for this, but I ended up trading my brother for his K hatch, and I traded that K hatch for this. So now the built hatch that was mine before this is now my little brother's, so it's still staying in the family. And then now I'm going to end up building this thing, adjusting it, fixing things. There's stuff that needs to be addressed. Obviously, I want to clean up stuff, get this hose figured out. Some stuff that's a little fucked up. Supposedly it made a decent amount of power, and it has pistons, rods, valves, retainer keepers, whatnot, cams, eBay turbo, I guess, some eBay piping, skunk tube, eBay blow off valve, you know, just stuff like that I want to fix, clean up, pull the motor out, repaint the bay, just a lot of stuff. Little by little I'm gonna end up changing things, addressing it. Obviously I don't want to get too ahead of myself and do everything at once, because then it's just gonna overwhelm somebody. At the same time I want to redo the outside, so I'm trying to do everything all at once, but little by little, if that makes sense. Hopefully I can have it all dialed in, ready for summer, and try to shoot to one of these events. That's the news and that's the update. So I'll keep uploading and show you guys what's going to happen.